How to enable the Bluetooth settings for your Amazfit smartwatch and connect to an Android phone. So you're setting this up for the first time. You'll need to actually connect this via using the Bluetooth settings. And this is the Amazfit Balance smartwatch. So first things first, you are going into the settings of your smartwatch here. And while in this clock face view mode here, you'll swipe down from the top and go into the settings right here. It's raining right now, I'm sorry. And from here, you'll go into the Bluetooth option, then make sure this is turned on. And while it's on here, you will wanna go into the headphones section, and it's gonna show that it's searching for nearby devices. Okay, so while it's doing that, basically now on your phone itself, you will wanna go into the Bluetooth settings of that smartphone itself. So this is a Motorola phone, Android phone, and you'll go to the Bluetooth here, long press it, that'll take you here, and you'll select pair new device. That's gonna turn it on for you, and just wait for that to show up, okay? So it's gonna, if you're near a lot of items here, it's gonna show up like this here. You're gonna see multiple ones here, but you'll just have to check the manual of your phone, which one to connect to. So just go with this one here, the first one that shows up. And once you do this, you will most likely get a pairing request if you have selected the right one, okay? So you'll see this here. Notice how they're the matching numbers here. So you'll press pair on the phone itself and the check mark here on the watch itself. And then it's gonna show you that it is connected here, okay? So once it's all set and ready to go, you will have this all set up. Now, this is just the first part here for it to be connected as this here and make calls and all that stuff. Now, you will need this app known as the Zipp app. I already have this set up on another phone, so I just wanna show you what it is so you can get the full experience. So it would be this app right here, okay? And just install it and then come back and it's gonna run you through the process and the prompts to connect it, okay? So like and sub.